After building this YouTube channel from scratch, I feel that I have built a wonderful connection with you all, the amazing subscribers and viewers. It's great to have this collaboration with so many people all over the world, and I love the fact that you stay in contact with me. Did you notice the 3 nouns that I used there, followed by with? Connection with, collaboration with, and contact with. Continuing our series of nouns followed by prepositions today, we're going to continue looking at a list of nouns that are followed by the preposition with. This is the first video in this 2-part series of nouns followed by with. Hi, I'm Carly from Learn English with Carly. As you can see, I have one hand available for teaching today, but I am still using one crutch following my foot break. I'm gradually recovering. Now, these nouns followed by with are useful to you in your everyday spoken English, but also in your written English, especially if you write essays, emails, or business documents in English. As I present each noun followed by with, focus on learning as many as you can, but also listen very carefully to my pronunciation. I will of course provide you with good examples of how we use these nouns followed by with in different tenses so that you understand how we use them in a variety of contexts. You may already know some or all of these nouns followed by with. So use this video to practice your listening, tense identification, to learn some new vocabulary, and to copy my pace, accent and intonation if you wish. I have put these nouns followed by with in alphabetical order from A to D. We will cover 12 nouns today. This makes it easier for you to note them down, practice them and learn them. Please be sure to write a comment under this video to show me how you can use these nouns followed by with. Show me what you've learnt. Also remember to like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Our first common noun followed by the preposition with is affiliation with. Affiliation means the state of being officially attached to or connected with an organisation. I am proud of my affiliation with a local charity. Craig has a strong affiliation with his hometown football team. The company announced their affiliation with a global environmental group. We have no affiliation with the accused whatsoever. Our second noun today is agreement with. An agreement is a negotiated and typically legally binding arrangement. The Prime Minister hopes to reach an agreement with other EU countries on the environmental issues we face. The band members are discussing the agreement with their legal team today. We reached an agreement with the landlord about the rent. Kevin had a verbal agreement with his colleague about sharing resources. The CEO will finalise the agreement with the partners next week. Argument with. An argument is an exchange of opposite views, typically a heated one. Ada often finds herself in a friendly argument with her classmates when debating current affairs. Jake quit his job after an argument with a colleague. Bill got into an argument with another driver. The couple had an argument with the waiter about their bill. Association with. An association is a group of people organised for a joint purpose. I do actually have an association with a book club that meets monthly. Leah has a strong association with professionals in her field. We have a long-standing association with our community organisation. The students formed an association with an international charity for the event. The employee will establish an association with tech innovators at the upcoming conference. Collaboration with. A collaboration is an action of working with someone to produce or create something. Jenny is excited about her collaboration with the art gallery. The upcoming band is planning a collaboration with a famous musician. The spy was accused of collaboration with the enemy. Trevor will start a new collaboration with a tech company. Compatibility with. Compatibility means the ability to exist or work together without problems or conflict. The engineers are testing the software for compatibility with different systems. Many apps are improving compatibility with various devices. Recipes will be judged on their compatibility with the wine. Concern with. A concern is a matter that causes worry or anxiety. My broken foot has been and continues to be a concern for me right now. Many parents share their concern with schools regarding online safety. The government is addressing public concern with a new safety policy. The student expressed their concern with the teacher about their grades. Conflict with. Conflict means a serious disagreement or argument. Rachel often mediates conflict with her friends peacefully. The accused statement is in conflict with the rest of the evidence. The group is working to prevent conflict with open communication. James resolved conflict with his roommate over chores. The manager will discuss the conflict with his team to find a solution. Connection with. A connection is a relationship or link between people or things. The singer enjoys the connection with her audience while performing. The local school is fostering a connection with the local community through events. Many people, including me, are exploring virtual connections with online communities, just like the one you see here at Learn English with Carly. Daniel made a strong connection with his mentor during his internship. Jordan will strengthen his connection with family through regular calls. Contact with. Contact is the state of physical touching or the act of communicating. Contact with other people is a basic human need. We often lose contact with some friends and acquaintances during our lives. Many companies encourage contact with customers for feedback. Valerie did not like being in such close contact with other people on the busy train. Marnie made contact with her old classmates through social media. Alfie will maintain contact with his colleagues after moving country. Cooperation with. Cooperation is the process of working together to meet the same end. Susan appreciates the cooperation with her team on the big project. The company produces computers in cooperation with a German firm. The film was made in cooperation with the Sports Council. Gail will encourage cooperation with local businesses for the event. And our final noun today, followed by the preposition with, is date with. A date, as you know, is a specific day of the month or year when an event occurs, or a social or romantic appointment or engagement. George has a special date with his girlfriend planned for the weekend. Many people go on a special date with their loved ones for Valentine's Day. The married couple are marking the date with a big celebration. Sean has been trying to get a date with Oscar for months. Which famous person would you like to go on a date with? There we have it, our 12 nouns followed by with to begin this topic today. Don't forget to do your homework and write to me below this video with your own example sentences. I look forward to hearing from you. I hope that you found this video useful today. and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next English learning video lesson. Take care in the meantime. Bye.